Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where we are having Christmas in July. Here's another request. I got this one from Meat is Murder. He wanted me to make scouse, blind scouse, and seems to be his region's signature dish. So I looked online for a lot of different recipes. The recipe I found called for dumplings too, and I didn't feel like making dumplings because I'm kind of tired and I've got lots of stuff to cook, and I don't know whether he ever had it with dumplings or not, but I actually don't know whether he had this version because it doesn't just have the vegetables. It's got some lima beans and a small handful of barley that you throw in here and cook along with onions, leeks, celery, potatoes, and carrots. And you cook it up in a nice light veggie broth. And it smelled really good the whole while it was cooking, and I tried some to taste it for seasoning, and it's really very, very nice. I really like it. I sliced everything in pretty big chunks, and I sauteed them a little bit just for extra flavor before I threw them in the pot with the broth. It's very simple, but really very delicious. I like barley. I think it's good in there. Oh yeah, I sauteed in butter. I may have to adjust the recipe because I put it on my blog so I could follow it. But I think I did a few things kind of different. So thank you for making the request, Meat is Murder. I hope you enjoy the video. I know you don't get to have any of the actual scouse. And thank you everyone else for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Happy Christmas in July. Christmas will be here before you know it. Regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, although this Christmas series, I got a few requests, so they're all going to be in a row. We've got a couple more after this. And let's see, community tab posts Monday and Friday. Thank you for visiting my community tab. And previous video will be linked in the description, along with the link to the recipe on my blog. See you later, guys.